Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing only what's necessary: Flutter 3, X, Dart, and a running emulator. Once done, add HTTP or DO to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Make sure to create a service class. You'll define simple models and a DTO to map JSON to Dart objects, then write the first GetRequest function. This gets you a working round trip fast, reason being, a minimal working API call proves connectivity and shapes the rest of your implementation. Once the basic call works, wire up authentication and state management. You will implement secure token storage and an interceptor that injects tokens into requests. Make sure to add refresh logic for expired tokens. Next, connect your service layer to provider, Riverpod, or block so UI reacts to data changes. Also, add structured error handling with retries and exponential backoff, and centralize JSON parsing to prevent duplicate code. That reduces bugs and keeps responses predictable across the app. To finish, add caching, pagination, and offline sync so your app behaves well under real conditions. Then, write integration tests with mocked endpoints and include CI checks to catch regressions early. Once complete, deploy backend endpoints and validate API contracts against your models. If things fail, check the interceptor and token flow first. Most issues are expired tokens or incorrect headers. Enable verbose logging and replay the failing request with the same headers to isolate the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.